Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about the air, that is in your chapter 8. Last week I have already posted few videos related to this chapter. So from that video you can get a complete idea about the air. Air is present everywhere. We can't see it, touch or smell it, but we can feel its presence when it moves. So let us start about it. Have to learn the composition of air. Air is the mixture of many gases like nitrogen, oxygen and other gases like carbon dioxide, argon, neon, helium, and few water vapor particles. This water vapor is consisting in just 1%. So, composition of air you have to learn inside the chapter. You can find inside the chapter all the activities related to the composition of air. But only need to know about the name or the gases which present in air. You have to learn only that part, means nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide and water vapor and all. In the book also you will get a picture in page number 70 where the portions, the ratios of the percentage of compositions of air, all the gases are being described in page number 70. Then go for properties of air. Air has basically 5 properties. So you have to learn, 6 properties. You just have to learn only the properties. Air occupies space, weight, it has weight, supports burning, exerts pressure, expands on heating, hot air is lighter than cold air. These are the properties. But along with the properties in the book also you will get few examples or the activities, but if all the activities you need not to learn, just only learn about the property that air supports burning, that is in page number 73, to show that the air is necessary for burning. In this activity you need a candle, matchbox, glass container and a plate. You have to do the candle, you just light on the candle and keep it on table, cover the lighted candle with a glass container, and after some time the candle stops burning. From here you will get the idea about this property, like the candle burns as long as the air is present in the inverted glass container. When all oxygens of the air inserted inside the glass is used up, the candle stops burning. Just you have to learn this activity along with the diagram in page number 73. Then you just go for the formation of wind. Formation of wind basically related to 3 portions, that is land bridge, sea bridge and summer monsoon winds. Based on the sea bridge, it is practically a coastal bridge blowing from the sea towards the land, is called sea bridge. It occurs during the daytime. Just opposite it happens with the land bridge, means a coastal bridge which blowing from land towards the sea is called the land bridge. It occurs at night. Now you will move for the summer monsoon winds. In summer the land heats up faster than the ocean water. As a result, the air over the land gets heated up and rises up. This causes the flow of colder wind from the oceans towards the land, and this will carry a lot of water, that is called the summer monsoon winds. This, based on this wind flowing, we can get few practical applications, that is convection of currents like ventilators and exhaust fan. You will find it in the book. Just read also the ventilators and exhaust fans as short note. Okay, then just go for page number 75, exercise for revision, and page number 77, exercise for revision. The both portions I will give the answer in PDF format. Follow that one, and after that go for the exercises. As you know, I have already earlier did it, like I will give you the key page answer keys, that is page number I will give you, and you will be getting the answers from the particular page and write down it in your copy. Long and short answers you supposed to write in the copy along with questions, and the objectives you must do it in the book. So I'll give you now by PDF form. Okay, thank you. Now I am going to give you today's classwork. That is what you have to do. You just take your copy and draw the picture of sea bridge portion from the page number 76. Just open your science book and you can get in page number 76 the picture of sea bridge, how the winds of sea bridge portion are passing. So you have to draw it and send it to my given email ID. Do it now as your classwork. Now I am going to give you today's homework. Your homework is you have to draw the picture of land bridge at your home and send it to my email ID by next week before the next science class. And you must write the question answers from the exercises in your copy, but no need to send the answers. Just send your homework as the picture of land bridge only. Don't send the answers, because I have given you the answer keys for the answers. You can solve it and make it for your next exams. Okay, thank you.